Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi. Now we all know that problem that with a G.I. Joe figure you'll go to attach it to a ship by putting the little hole on his foot over the peg, only to find that there is a broken peg already stuck in the hole on the bottom of his foot. You can see exactly that here, that this has been attached to a ship at some point and the peg has snapped off inside his foot. So it makes it a little bit more awkward for these figures to be attached to ships. So today I'm going to show you how to easily remove a broken off peg in a G.I. Joe foot. This is a really easy process to do and you only need a few little items from your toolbox. You need a pin vise with a fairly small drill bit in it, something that's smaller than the peg that's stuck in the foot, but big enough to insert a tiny little screw to. So this is actually a G.I. Joe screw that I've taken out of another figure. We also then need a screwdriver because we've got to screw that screw into the hole that we're going to drill into the foot, and we need a pair of pliers. So the first thing we're going to do is drill a small hole into the center of the broken off peg so that we can insert this screw just a small way. That gives us something to grip onto. So first thing, let's drill that hole. So there we have the hole drilled. Now I'm going to get the screw that I showed you and we're going to screw that just a little bit into this hole. It doesn't need to go in a huge amount. Basically it's just got to go in enough that you can grip the broken off peg. So we'll screw that in a little bit. Just like that. We can then take the pair of pliers and we can pull out the screw and the end of the peg, just like that. So there you go, that is the screw and the peg now removed. And there you can see his foot now without the peg in place. So this figure can be reattached to any G.I. Joe vehicle with ease again. It's that simple.
Now you know, and knowing is half the battle.
And there we go, that is the figures back and ready for action. It's a very simple thing to do. There's no risk of damaging the figure if you do it that way, and it really does only take a couple of minutes. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.